see you guys there. Hello Sherry's, how you guys doing? Well, apparently it's a rainy day today. It's really rainy outside. Well, everyone's outside. Stephanie's at school. I'm preparing macaroni for dinner when they come back. So I'm just gonna prepare this. So glad school is over and it's really raining outside. I think it's time for us to go enter the bus. Do you want to sit close to Jason? No, Jack is already sitting close to him. Let's just go sit in the back. Ooh. Stephanie, are you still gonna try out for cheerleading? No, I'm not joining anymore. Those girls are really mean. Yeah, you're right. I think you should just join athlete. Yeah, that's really fun. Me, this is my house now. I'll see you tomorrow at school. Okay, bye. Mom, I'm home. Hey, welcome back, Stephanie. How was school today? It was good, but the rain was so much. Yeah, I know. Well, go upstairs, change. I'm making macaroni, your favorite. Yay! Hey, Sissy. Hey, Sophie. How are you? Fine. What are you doing? Playing with the cat. Okay, well, you have to go change now. Okay. Now that I'm in my room, all I just need to do is take off my backpack and change. Ta-da! I'm done. Do you guys like my outfit? It's a black short top and some blue short jeans with some cute slippers. Well, I'm gonna go downstairs now. Talk. Oh, hey, Felix. Hey, I'm back from work. Where are the kids? Well, they're in the living room watching some TV. Oh, what are you making? I'm making macaroni. Well, all of you should just go sit and I'll bring the food. Okay, guys, you're up, so you guys can go change into your PJs and then we'll sleep, okay? But come on, I have to watch TV, Mom. No, you know you have to tomorrow and it's a rainy day. Come on, you have to eat up. Come on. Fine. Time to take a lovely shower. We all for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in another video. Bye.